Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use public charging stations easy guide. Always confirm connector type, charger speed, and payment method before plugging in. Start by parking correctly and positioning the charger for an easy reach to your port. Open your app or follow the station screen to authenticate and start the session. Monitor charging progress and estimated time, then safely unplug and move your vehicle when complete. When picking a charger, think about time and compatibility in a friendly, practical way. Choose higher kW chargers if you need a quicker top-up, and aim for well-lit stations for comfort and safety. Use apps to confirm connector type and live availability so you don't arrive to find it occupied. Keep an adapter if you need one, and factor cost per minute or per kWh into your choice. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read if you want clear, practical advice about money that can change how you plan for future trips or big purchases. I love how it simplifies choices, just like this charging guide. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. While charging, stay relaxed and check battery percentage occasionally to plan your next move. Use your car display or the station app to view estimated time remaining so you know when to return. Be mindful of charger etiquette and move your vehicle once charging finishes to free up the spot. If a fault occurs, report it via the app or station number so others aren't inconvenienced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.